Welcome class 12. Today we are going to discuss about the one of the important topic of the financial market, that is the chapter number 11. In there we will learn about the meaning of money market and the features of the money market. So there has given the meaning of money market. Money market is a market for lending and borrowing of funds for short term. Yes, it is a place where the short term funds are borrowed and lent. It is a market wherein lending and borrowing of funds take place for a short period of time, which varies from date one day to a year. ये यहाँ पर फंड की जो बोरिंग और लेंडिंग होती है वो शॉर्ट पीरियड के लिए होती है और जो डिफरेंट होती है फ्रॉम वन डे टू अ ईयर. Also, the financial instruments traded in this market can be converted into cash easily without any loss of time and value. Here, the financial instrument can be easily converted into the cash without the wasting of time and value. And it is an important part of the financial system that helps in fulfilling the short term and very short term requirement of the companies, bank, financial institutions, government agencies, etc. So it is a very important part of the financial system which helps to satisfy this short-term requirement of the banks, financial institutions, government agency. Okay. Now it is a market for financial assets which are close substitute for money. Means it is a market for financial assets that are close substitute for money. Now, instruments like commercial paper, liquid, and treasury bill, etc., are traded in money market. Now, there has the some features of money market also given. The fund borrowed and lent in money market are for short term. The maximum period for which the funds are traded in the money in the market is 1 year. Okay. अब यहाँ पे फीचर्स क्या बताए हैं कि जो फंड्स बोरो और लेंड किए जाते हैं मनी मार्केट में दैट आर फॉर ओनली फॉर द शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड. मीन्स मनी मार्केट प्रोवाइड अ प्लेस और अ सिस्टम वेयर बाय short term loans can be easily borrowed or lent. Okay, and the maximum period for which the funds are traded in the market is 1 year. Second, it is wholesale market for short term debt as a transaction volume is large. एक तरह का होलसेल मार्केट भी होता है शॉर्ट टर्म डेप्ट के लिए. ओके. नाउ थर्ड, द ट्रेडिंग में टेक प्लेस ओवर द टेलीफोन आफ्टर विच रिटन कंफर्मेशन इज डन बाय वे ऑफ ईमेल. Okay, in this market we can do trading by the telephone, but there will be the written confirmation which has done by the way of email. Now, fourth, participants of money market include RBI, commercial bank, mutual funds, financial institutions, primary dealers, and corporate. Means the main organization dealing in money market in India are RBI, which is the Reserve Bank of India, state government, banks, corporate, investors, etc. Okay. Now, there is an impersonal relationship between the participants of the money market. Now, point number 6 has given the money market has no geographical area. That is, there is no fixed place for carrying out the transaction. Means it is not a single market, but a collection of market for different instrument. मतलब ये कोई सिंगल मार्केट नहीं होता है, ये कलेक्शन ऑफ मार्केट है फॉर अ डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट. मीन्स डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर carried down here, like commercial bills, commercial paper, certificate of deposit, government securities, etc. Okay. Now, the instruments of money market can be converted easily into cash or have very short maturity period. Moreover, the return on investment is also low. Okay. जो भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट मनी मार्केट में कन्वर्ट किए जाते हैं कैश में, ये बहुत ही शॉर्ट मैच्योरिटी पीरियड के लिए होते हैं. ओके. सो जो फंड्स कैन बी बोरोड और लेंड विच विल बी दैट विल बी मैक्सिमम फॉर पीरियड 1 year. एक साल के लिए होते हैं एंड देयर हैज़ नो फिक्स प्लेस फॉर ट्रेडिंग ऑफ सिक्योरिटीज. ओके, मीन्स इन मनी मार्केट देयर इज नो डेफिनेट प्लेस टू कैरी आउट लेंडिंग एंड बोरिंग ऑपरेशन ऑफ द सिक्योरिटीज ऑफ शेयर. Okay, now point number 8 has given the major segments of the money market that are the call money market, certificate of deposit market, treasury bill market, commercial bill market or commercial paper market. Okay, so today we have seen the features of the money market. In the next video we will see the some important participants in money market. Okay, आज के लिए इतना ही. Thank you, goodbye.